Hey guys, Urban Gardener here, and I just came across this beautiful example of a three sisters garden. So if you don't know what a three sisters garden is, it's what the Native Americans used to do when they gardened. It's one of the earliest gardening practices, and what it consists of is companion planting. Now, the three sisters are corn, beans, and squash. And this example is at a school garden, and it's one of the programs that's been hit hardest by coronavirus, which is a shame as nobody can be on campus. But the local gardener who takes care of this has planted a beautiful example of a three sisters garden. And it's a great example of a no-till garden with not a lot of maintenance. And it shows you what will happen if you just let things kind of go wild. We do have our corn, as you see. Now, if you come in here, I'm going to show you the beans. And you see the beans. And these are pole beans. And what they do is they just make their way up the stalk of the corn, as so. And then you have some squash down here. We have some zucchini. And, ooh, my favorite, the bumblebee. It's great to see bumblebees back in the garden, too. It'd been a good 10 years since I'd seen a bumblebee around my area, and they're back. So it's great to see them back as well. And then here you have some crookneck squash. I believe this is another crookneck. So I believe what the gardener did was put crookneck on the one side, put the zucchini on the other, and then these beautiful pole beans here. More than anything, I just wanted to show you guys this beautiful example of a three sisters garden. You don't get to see a great example all the time. Unfortunately, I tried to do a three sisters garden in my yard this year, but for some reason the corn just didn't want to grow. As you guys know, some years you get better gardens for certain crops. It's really strange how it works, but some years your corn grows well, some years your squash grows well, some years your beets grow great. But just wanted to show you guys a beautiful example of a three sisters garden. And it works very well because it's just a really great symbiotic relationship. They all give each other what they need, and they share via the mycorrhizal fungi telegraph. So with that, guys, I hope you all get out there and get yourself three sisters garden. They look beautiful. They are very healthy, and as you can see, yeah, there's some bug damage here, but they're not ravaged, and there has been no pest treatment to this garden whatsoever. With that, guys, keep happy, stay stoned, and urban garden.